this alphabet again, make one line on the top and one line at the bottom here. And make the alphabet N here, like this. Standing line, then a diagonal, then again standing. Double up this line, make it thick over here like this. Make the corners round this way. Add curves in the corners. And here as well. Next, add eyes over here. Also make sure that both the eyes are of same size. Then make the nose over here, the mouth like this, and let's add the patterns of the tiger on the N alphabet here like this. On the right side as well. Next, add hair on the top over here like this, and over here as well. Yeah, that's it. We are done with the sketch. Now take the black gel pen or your black marker and outline this drawing. First, outline the alphabet N over here like this. Then slowly start outlining the patterns as well over here. Outline the hairs. The patterns on the left side. The eyes, and fill up the eyes using the black gel pen or the marker that you are using. That way the blacks are really very dark. The nose as well, and the mouth at last. Fill color in the nose as well using the black gel pen. Next, take an eraser and erase all the pencil lines. I think you can see the pencil lines here as well, isn't it? Let's erase them together. Let's start with the coloring part. I start with the hair. I'm using orange color pencil for coloring the alphabet N over here. As done previously, I press hard on the paper and make sure that I'm adding strokes in one direction so that it looks really neat and clean. Make sure that even if you're changing the direction of strokes somewhere, the change in the direction of strokes is not actually visible. It should look uniform. I'll quickly finish up with the orange part, and then we'll move ahead to the black stripes that are present on the alphabet N. Next, for coloring the stripes of the alphabet N, I'm going to use a black brush pen. Take the brush pen and very carefully color each stripe of the N. Over here like this. Feel free to change the direction over here as it may not matter. It's black, it's very dark, and the strokes might not actually be visible even if you are changing them. I carefully color each of them. We are done with our work.